Hi, you've just reached Sandy LeMee of asimplerway.net. This is an amazing day. I want to share with you what my life has become and what it has meant to become what I have become. What does that really mean? What it means is you make a story about your life every single day, every event that happens, every perception that comes your way, every picture that comes your way, you're giving it a meaning and you're making it mean something. What I'm asking you to is to evaluate. Take a moment. Check out what you're making your life mean, or that situation, or that stressful event, or that happy event. You gave it a meaning, and that meaning is causing thoughts to come into your head and causing emotions to flood into your body, and they're creating the value of your life. Did you know you had a choice to give it a different meaning, to make it mean whatever you want to make it mean? I ask myself that when it's coming at me and you know what is hitting the fan? I sometimes don't give it a very empowering meaning at first. And then I say to myself, wait, what else could this mean? And sometimes I give it another disempowering meaning. I keep asking myself that question until I make it a meaning that makes sense to me, empowers me, moves me forward in life, and gets me closer to that goal I have. Not further away, not more in my story. And you've got one too. Here's what I'd ask you to do. If you were your best friend, and you had to sit and listen to you tell your story one more time about why you're where you're at, the situation you're in, who did what to you, how they hurt your feelings, how they did this, how long would you want to sit there? Would you be entertained? Would you be fed up? Would you be disgusted? Would they empower your life? Would you empower your life if you were your best friend listening to you? Or would you want to reach out and say, get a grip, get a hold of yourself, stop telling that story, create a new one, create a better one, and make your life everything it was meant to be. Now, have a great day. Sandy LeMee.